The VLOOKUP is a powerful tool in Excel. It helps you find specific information in large tables of data. Think of it like looking up a phone number in a phone book. You start with a name, and VLOOKUP helps you find the matching number. This is useful for many tasks in Excel. For instance, imagine you have a list of products and their prices. You can use VLOOKUP to quickly find the price of a specific product. No need to scroll through the entire list. This saves you time and reduces errors. VLOOKUP is a must-have skill for anyone using Excel regularly. Whether you're managing inventory, analyzing sales data, or organizing customer information, VLOOKUP can simplify your work. Once you understand how it works, you'll find many ways to use it in your spreadsheet. So let's dive in and learn how to master VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function may seem intimidating at first, but it's actually quite simple. Let's break down the syntax. This is what you want to find. It could be a name, a number, or even a date. This is the range of cells where your data is located. It should include the column containing the lookup value and the column with the information you want to retrieve. This is the column number in your table array that contains the information you want to return. For example, if the value you want is in the third column of your table array, you would enter 3. This is an optional argument. You can use it to specify whether you want an exact or approximate match. If you leave it blank, VLOOKUP will assume you want an approximate match. Understanding each part of the syntax is crucial for using VLOOKUP effectively. Take your time to review each element and how it contributes to the function's overall purpose. In the next section, we'll illustrate these concepts with a practical example. Let's imagine you have a spreadsheet with customer data. The first column lists customer IDs, the second column has their names, and the third column shows their cities. You want to find the city of a customer with a specific ID. Here's how you would use VLOOKUP1. This is the customer ID you want to search for. Let's say it's 12,345. 1. This is the range of cells containing your customer data. For example, it could be A1 to C100. 1. You want to find the city, which is in the third column of your table array. So, the column index number is 3. 1. You want an exact match for the customer ID, so you'll use false for the range lookup. Your VLOOKUP formula would look like this. This formula will search for 12,345 in the first column of the range, A1 to C100. When it finds the match, it will return the value in the third column of the same row, which is the city of the customer with ID 12,345. By following these steps, you can easily use VLOOKUP to extract specific information from your data tables. Remember to adjust the lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup based on your specific needs. Section 4. Troubleshooting tips, overcoming common errors. Like any Excel function, VLOOKUP can sometimes throw errors. Here are some common pitfalls and how to fix them. This usually means VLOOKUP couldn't find the lookup value in the specified range. Double-check your lookup value for typos. Ensure the lookup value exists in the first column of your table array. This error occurs when the col_index_num is greater than the number of columns in your table array. Verify that the column index number you entered corresponds to the correct column in your table array. If VLOOKUP returns an unexpected value, make sure your data is sorted correctly. VLOOKUP may not work as expected if your data isn't sorted by the first column of the table array. By understanding these common errors and their solutions, you can troubleshoot your VLOOKUP formulas quickly and efficiently. Remember to double-check your inputs and carefully examine your data to ensure accurate results. Section 5. Mastering VLOOKUP, practice and beyond. The best way to master VLOOKUP is through practice. Create your own sample spreadsheets and experiment with different scenarios. Try using VLOOKUP with different data types, such as dates or text strings. Explore the optional arguments of VLOOKUP, such as the range lookup and error handling. Understanding these advanced features will give you more control over your VLOOKUP formulas. Once you feel comfortable with VLOOKUP, you can explore other lookup functions in Excel, such as index and match. These functions offer even more flexibility and power for data retrieval. Remember, mastering VLOOKUP is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With persistence and practice, you'll become a VLOOKUP expert in no time. Section 6. Conclusion. VLOOKUP is an essential tool for anyone working with data in Excel. It simplifies data retrieval, saves time, and reduces errors. By understanding the syntax, practicing with examples, and troubleshooting common errors, you can confidently incorporate VLOOKUP into your spreadsheets. As you become more familiar with VLOOKUP, remember to explore its advanced features and related functions like index and match. The world of Excel data manipulation is vast and exciting, and VLOOKUP is your key to unlocking its potential. Happy spreadsheeting!